Hello, welcome to another episode of Install with Rob. Rob McKee, the head of engineering here at SHIELDS Windshields, and we are installing a XCMG loader, skid loader. I'm not exactly sure what they call theirs. So first off, we got the glass off, and then we clean the frame. You can see, nice and pretty like always. We clean the frame, we get to where we can see bare metal, that way we get the best adhesion possible using SHIELDS Caulk.
And removing the glass was so much fun.
I'm sure there'll be a nice little clip of me throwing a rock or a hammer at the window because I was frustrated.
Yeah, it broke immediately when you were just trying to remove it.
Tools needed for the job: SHIELDS Caulk, razor blade, cut it open, and then a screwdriver to pop your thing out. You need the frame, obviously, some clamps. The nozzle comes with the SHIELDS Caulk, and most importantly, some coffee. I'm going to try and leave like a 3/8 bead, so I'm going to cut it, you know, like a thumb's length down at an angle. Maybe a little big, but it's going to work. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to lay my 3/8 bead down. I'm not going to be shy about using it. It's a little wide. If you put a little extra on there, you're not going to hurt anything. Your glass will come in with these plates glued on, but it's not necessary. Leave a little bit out. You can reuse it for later. The painted side goes down, and what I'm looking for alignment-wise are my handles and wiper holes matching up with their corresponding holes. So I'm gonna put it down on the place, smush it in, make sure the holes line up. Then I'm going to use some cardboard and clamp it down. The cardboard is to protect the window. Alright, my holes are lined up. I go around the edge and I can see that there's glue touching the window everywhere. That's very important. That's how we get our weather seal. Alright. Got it clamped down, glued in. Now we are going to wait 24 hours for the glue to set. I'm going to come back with a razor blade and just clean up any of the ugly looking glue around the outside. I'm going to wait until it dries for that, because if I do it while it's wet, I'm just going to be smearing it everywhere. So wait till it dries, cut off any extra. If you want to, you can also leave it. It doesn't hurt anything. And the window is now installed. After it's glued, reapply the hardware and everything will be good to go. Thank you, Reed. Thank you, Melissa.